beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting video. I don't know for you, but for me it's a very exciting video. For me, this will be my first ever unboxing video of a bag that I paid for, because I was going to say I recently got, but it wasn't sent. But I paid for because I'm in class, well, I'm in school, and my semester was just over and I wanted to treat myself to getting a new bag. And I will let you know it's from a brand called Polene. I have been seeing it around on YouTube a lot and I fell in love with how it looks, and I just knew that I needed one. So enough ramble, you guys came here to see the bag and unbox it, so I'm gonna start the video. It came in a large box and I'm hiding my address here, so it just has a slip with your address. So while I'm opening the box, I'm just going to tell you about the shipping. It came via DHL. It ships out from Spain, and I'll show you. This is what it looks like in the box. DHL was very quick. It took about 3 days because I ordered it on Monday and I think it shipped Tuesday and arrived at my mom's house on Thursday. So this is the box. It comes in, it says Polene, it has some gold letters, and then I got the bag Numero 1, which is just number 1, and I got the largest size. And I'm gonna open it now. I watch a lot of these videos, so I already know what to expect. So it comes in wrapped in this paper. It comes with this card here with a lady holding one of their bags, I guess, just so you know what other bags you can buy. Then you have the dust bag, which is very soft, and it says Polene again with the logo. I'm gonna take it out. This is what the dust bag looks like. It's very large, so you could definitely store your bag in here or just use it for to store something else. I'm just going to put this at the side. This is the bag, and it comes covered in these little bubble wrap. Here it is. It's very light. It's not as big as I thought it would be, like I imagined it would be. It's a good size. Like if you're not a big bag person, like if you don't like those large totes, this is not it. It's a very nice, very nice size, and it's super soft. The leather is very soft. I imagine the leather to be more stiffer. From looking at the videos, it seemed like the leather would be a little stiffer, but the leather is very soft. I got the Numero 1 bag, or the number 1 bag, and I got it in the black colorway, and it looks like this. And I got it with the, excuse me, Portia. I got it in this, and it comes with this crocodile pattern. I'll bring it closer. And I thought that looks so chic and cute. You open it like that. It has 2 snaps in the middle here that snap together, and that's what creates the shape of the bag. And you can also open it up, and when you do so, it also makes extra room in the bag. This is the inside of the bag. As you can see, it's a lot of space, a lot of room. The lining is like a fabric, a black fabric that matches the outside of the bag. And then there's a zipper here in the back, and I'm gonna open it, and you could store stuff inside of there. It does still keep the shape of the bag, even without me like snapping it together. Also at the sides, there's this another snap that creates another shape here, a little indentation there, so it's at both sides. So this is a very large bag, and I guess it can hold a lot, so you could unsnap all of these. I'm just trying to show you just to create more room. This is the back of the bag, and it has a little pocket at the back. Other YouTubers said it reminds them of the Chanel bags with the pocket in the back. It's very slim, and if you put anything too large, it will stretch out the leather. So if you want to have this same look, I suggest that you put things that's really thin, like maybe cards or paper. And the strap is adjustable. Also has a top handle. Another YouTuber, and she was complaining about the top handle being stiff, but to me it's like it's soft. It's not that stiff. I would thought it would have been like more stiff that you can't really bend, but it's very soft. I have very tiny wrists, so you can see I can use this bag like this. So if you're a more petite person or have a smaller frame or it's just smaller hands, you can use it as a top handle. But I like to use my bag with the straps, and you could put it crossbody or just at the side. It has feet at the bottom, so when you put your bag down, it doesn't just lay on the surface. So I got the Pebble Leather, and you can see it's not very smooth. It looks like little dots. So how much I paid for this bag. So I paid $420 US. And for shipping I paid $20 US, and that's it. I didn't have to pay any customs or taxes. I should have gotten this bag sooner. I think in the month of April, because of the COVID-19, they were doing a special with free shipping, so it would have just been straight $420. But when I ordered, I think it was just, of course, it was May and it was too late and the shipping was gone. But $20 wasn't bad because I didn't have to pay any customs or any taxes, and also the bag is coming from Spain, so I think $20 shipping is not bad, and it came here in like 3 days, so I'm not complaining. It's a very nice bag, a very nice quality. So if you know a lot about luxury brands, $420 is on the cheaper end, or way cheaper end, because some, like with the same quality, just because of the brand name, this can go up. This could have cost like $2,000. Really, it could have cost $2,000. But I'm in love. I have makeup. I don't want to touch my bag with makeup, but I am in love, and it's just so unique. It's like, I love it. I love it. Definitely a brand I would definitely buy from again. I think they're gonna get bigger in the future, so definitely gonna pick up a bag now, because they might go up in price, and I have a feeling they're gonna get more expensive when it gets more popular. But thank you for watching. I hope I answered a lot of questions, and I hope you like my bag. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay safe, guys. Bye.